Two strong running cars. 109, Ronnie Hasley trying to get himself into the action. 316, Jason Fletcher all over it. Here comes Pataki back. Jimson knocking. Look at that heat coming out of them pipes, folks. Right back comes the 316 of Fletcher. Right back comes the 477 of Pataki. Share out, folks. 316, Jason Fletcher up against the 407 of Dick Pataki. In the end. Now, and here comes Pataki back. Who's gonna die first? Jason's going and Kim's not. Can she get it fired up? Can it fire? Will it fire? Jason's not gonna give her the opportunity. He's gonna keep hitting it. Kim's trying to light the engine. Will it fire? 316 all over the 4077. Kim's trying to get it lit. She's trying to fire the car up. 316 Fletcher still running strong. I think she's going to the first place. Pataki in the 4077 back in the action. No, sure does a horsepower. I hear you, Ricky. 407. I don't know. I think he's going to take all the way to the McDonald's. I think he can do it. Back and forth we go. Battle to the end. It's a matter of time, but what's going to get hotter? What do you think, Gary? I think we got him stuck together. Something's got to break here soon.
And do you know that the same cars is built at the same place, two of them too?
I know what you're saying. Two cars out of the same stable.
Yeah,
316's moving. Pataki, can she get it going? Jason's going to work his way around, see if he can take a different angle on it.
give him a good kiss for me.
316 into the 4077. Kim's trying to get it going. She's on the clock.
Give him a kiss.
Kim is on the clock.
Give her a kiss, Jason. That a boy.
And there it is. She's all there. Let's give him a big hand. The winner is Jason Fletcher, the 316. Second place goes to Kim Pataki in the 4077. Let's give him a big round of applause, folks. Your feature heat winners, 2010 Chelsea Community Fair. I'll give you the rundown here in a minute. First place goes to Jason Fletcher. Second place, Kim Pataki. Third place goes to Ronnie Hasley in the 109.